Introducing the DPR12 Drilling Positioning Ruler, the fast and precise way to locate and drill mounting points for cable and rod wine rack systems. The dual-axis design lets you measure both horizontal and vertical spacing at the same time, ensuring perfect squared alignment. Start by setting your dimensions. Simply loosen the adjustable knobs, slide the rulers to the desired hole-to-hole distance, then lock them firmly into place. Once positioned, use the guide holes to mark or drill your mounting points directly through the template using our center punch tool or your drill. Our marker pins are precision fit to push a distinct indentation into the ceiling and floor. Use the tool with the marker pins as a guide to continuously mark your drill points for each column and to install your entire wine rack display. Eliminate guesswork and reduce installation time by 50% with the Drilling Position Ruler.